Today, we are all about making sparks fly in the run-up to a very special Valentine's. We have some super cool lasers and some incredible Valentine pieces made on CNC machines. So now that we're in February and we are in the month of love, bow chicka wow wow, let's take a look at these clips of sparks well and truly flying at Steel Fab in Dubai. Well, if that wasn't enough love and sparks flying, check out this lovely testimonial at Quickgrind.
Just found another fan, a massive fan in fact, of MTD. John, why do you like MTD?
What? Gina?
Well, hold on a minute. Why?
A bit easier on the eyes than you, I'm afraid.
Can you say that? Is that socially acceptable? Okay, and do you like our videos?
Absolutely, yeah. Our boss got us onto them. All the tips.
Best presenter, Colin.
Gina.
Oh, right, enough testimonials. John obviously loves MTD, but maybe Gina more than anybody else. Back to you guys.
Gina 1, Colin 0. Okay, so now that we're feeling all rather loved up, let's check out some CNC action of these beautiful Valentine's masterpieces being created. Full credit and links are in the description.
Other terms may apply.
You are liable to lose your house if you do not keep up payments.
Enough of all that mush, let's head over to Paul, who's got a cracking blast from the past this week.
Now this is a great blast from the past for you, Gina. This is 1948. Now this is a precision optical grinder. It's got a series of slides here that you move to a position in order to get your angle so that you can grind your form tool. It's still in operation here at KWI Grinding at 1948. Now an optical grinder means that basically I think it's a 50-to-1 optical vision that you can see in here on that shadow graph. So when you're actually doing your grinding, you can see right close up to the part that you're grinding. 1948. What a blast from the past! But not only the machine. What about this? This broom is actually the oldest broom in here. This one at the front. Now this is actually 32 years old. Would you believe? It's had 16 new heads and 12 new handles. But this is the oldest broom in the workshop. That's my blast from the past. Back to you, G.
You know what, Adam? I reckon this nameless show, we're onto something here. I reckon it's going to be absolutely massive. I mean, the views, we're getting hundreds a day as it is. It's going absolutely fantastically. I reckon that we're going to be bigger and better than that Chip and Swarf thing on MTD. You know? I reckon so. Oh no, Paul's coming. Paul's coming. Play it cool, son. Play it cool. You know what I mean?
Blast from the past!
Yee! Okay, so this week on Gina Asks, I'm asking, what is a programmable tailstock?
This is an educational video about a programmable tailstock, a drag and drop programmable tailstock on a turning centre. For this instance, we're using a Huachon Hi-Tech 450C turning centre from Ward Hi-Tech in the UK, and these machines are available from stock. Now this is your programmable tailstock. In fact, this is your quill, but as this moves forward or is programmed to move forward, it will support a part that is in your chuck. Now, how does the programmable tailstock move once it's programmed? Basically, there is a pin that will go into the base of this slideway from the body of the tailstock into the pin, and the slideway, or this axis, will move along, which will drag the tailstock with it. So once the tailstock is programmed to a position, the Z-axis will pull the tailstock into position, and then the quill can then support the component. This has been an educational video on programmable tailstock.
So on a lathe, the tailstock does not need to rotate. Instead, the spindle that holds the stock rotates. Collets, centers, 3-jaw chucks and other work holding attachments can be held in the spindle. The tailstock can hold tools for drilling, threading or cutting tapers. MTD's biggest fan has done it again, sending in his awesome footage. Check out this beauty. In the first video is a 20mm end mill running at 440 speed. It's also running at 2,360 speed, going down to 43mm deep in 2 passes. It's running in a Dorma Pramat hydraulic chuck. Is it hydraulic? On a Herco VM30i. The second video is a 52mm Dorma Pramat high feed running at 9,182 feet, 1,835 speed, taking 1.5mm mill, a pass and a step over of 55%. That's it. So last week I wanted to get to 5 big numbers. So last week I said I wanted to get to 500 followers really quickly, and I'm literally 10 away on LinkedIn. So one lucky follower will be blessed with a goodie bag and magnets delivered to their door. Just keep sharing, commenting and chittering away to me on LinkedIn, and myself and Colin Driving will pay you a visit. Don't forget to subscribe, tag me in all your lit machining videos, and just keep being the G's that you are. See you laters. Does any more? Yeah. Well, you didn't record any of it. Shall I start again?